Hi everyone and welcome to my kitchen. My name is Rosana. Today we are making pico de gallo two different ways. The first one is going to be traditional and the second one, well, I guess you're going to have to wait and see. But before we get started, I do want to invite you to subscribe, like this video, give us a huge thumbs up, and also do not forget to click the notification bell. All right, let's get to it. For the traditional, we're gonna need 1 pound of ripe roma tomatoes, not mushy, okay? Just ripe, because these are gonna give you the best results. Go ahead and remove the stem area from the top. And if you're interested, I'm gonna leave you the link to this little tool down in the description area. Even though I am using roma tomatoes, feel free to use any type of red tomato that you prefer. These look beautiful. I'm super excited. Now, go ahead and dice them. When we make traditional pico de gallo, we do not remove the seeds because they add a ton of flavor. All right, we're gonna transfer this to a bowl. We are done. We're gonna need 1/4 of a large white onion and we're gonna dice it equal in size or similar in size to the tomatoes. Now, making pico de gallo is very versatile. You can use as much onion as you want or as little. It's your choice. I feel like it needs more. This seems too little. So I'm gonna go ahead and add the rest, making it half a large white onion. And it's gonna equal to about 1 cup total. Really? I'm in tears, okay? This is an emotional moment for me. That's more like it. Onions aside, and we're bringing in the pepper. That's right. We want spicy pico de gallo, so I'm using serrano, and I'm using one because this one's pretty spicy. For a milder one, you can use jalapenos, and you could even remove some of those seeds and veins to reduce some of the heat. But we want this spicy. Just go ahead and dice it. What I like to do now is finely chop them because I don't want to bite into a chunky piece. I want to be able to have subtle bites of spiciness throughout the pico de gallo. By the way, feel free to use kitchen gloves because you don't want to end up with spicy hands. Just a suggestion. Now, tell me, what do these colors remind you of? Well, for me, it reminds me of carne asada and our beautiful Mexican flag. Look at these gorgeous colors. We have the green, white, and red. What a great representation. We cannot forget the cilantro. By the way, this reminds me of some of your interesting comments saying that cilantro tastes like soap to you. I can't relate. I love cilantro, so I'm adding half of a bunch. And we're simply gonna chop it. It is amazing how easy this recipe is and the incredible flavors we get to enjoy. All right, just cut the lime because the lime juice together with the salt are really gonna open up all the flavors. How exciting. I ended up using the entire lime, which turned out to be 3 tablespoons of juice. All right, we have to season this. And we're gonna do this to taste. I'm using kosher salt and doing 1 teaspoon. I'll mix this in, and if it needs more, I'll add more. Go ahead and mix everything in. Watch those beautiful colors combine. This looks amazing. Let's go ahead and taste. It looks so good. All right. Oh my goodness. I've melted. My heart, my soul goes out to this. So good. Perfect. The salt was good. Let's do one more. I got a kick of that serrano. It's so good though. All right. This is delicious, tangy, fresh. The salt really brings out the flavors from all of the ingredients. All right, let's move on to the second one before I think of making carne asada right now. This version has the same measured amount of ingredients as the traditional one, except for the pepper, and I'll tell you why in a second. For now, let's go ahead and substitute the white onion for the red onion. Look what I have here in habanero, and as you can see, I'm wearing kitchen gloves because I have a deep respect for habaneros. They are spicy. That's why I'm only doing half, okay? If you want to do more, it's up to you, your choice. We're just gonna simply dice it as well. Make sure it's finely diced. And as you can see, right here, I don't dare using the veins or the seeds. Not happening. Habaneros are scorching hot, but the reason why I like to use them is because they do have a wonderful flavor. They're aromatic and herbal, the perfect addition. So we do add it, but in small amounts. And now for the grand finale, the ingredient that's gonna bring this pico de gallo together. And avocado. This is gonna add a touch of creaminess. So excited. All right, so we're simply going to dice it into bite-sized pieces. Let's toss everything in. By the way, I used one large avocado. This looks amazing. I should have gotten a bigger bowl, but that's fine. It'll work. Oh, I love avocado. This makes me so happy. If you're not serving this right away, I do suggest you add the avocado right before serving because it does tend to brown. I mean, this has lime, but we want to keep it as fresh as possible. All right, let's go ahead and taste. Lucky me. And you can be too if you make it at home. All right, let's do this. This is amazing. I'm telling you, I love the flavor from habaneros. It's one of my favorites. I even add it to omelets, obviously in small amounts, but it does have a really distinctive flavor. It's amazing. All right. Oh, that one broke. Hold on. The avocado. The avocado is a gem. Delicious. All right, everyone, we reached the end. I really hope you enjoyed this recipe. The other one is in the fridge, chilling, just cruising by. It's gonna get its turn, believe me. All right, well, don't forget that you can follow me on all of my social media platforms. Also, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and click the notification bell. Until the next one,